Hi everyone, I'm Chris, and welcome to the official unboxing of the ROG Strix RTX 3060. This is going to be the first graphics card that I unbox here, and I'm so excited to take you inside the box. The Strix RTX 3060 is the newest member of the Ampere GPU family with 3,584 CUDA cores and 12 GB of GDDR6. Best of all, it's available in stores today. Regardless of what games you're playing, the Strix RTX 3060 is going to be a perfect fit for playing high refresh games at 1080p or tackling 1440p and 4K gaming with solid frame rates. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, first off, we have a little packet here. If we open that up, we're going to find a little thank you card, quick setup guide, and most importantly, this great little collector's card to show that you are one of the few that has a Strix RTX 3060. Now, under here are the goodies. We've got a couple of Velcro cable ties here, but most importantly, this beauty of a card right here. Let's take it out of the packaging. And there it is in all its glory. The Strix 3060 is a 2.7 slot GPU with a new angular black and silver design found on other members of the Strix family. That extra size expands the cooling surface to make the most of the 3 Axial Tech fans. Now speaking of fans, we've improved upon our previous Axial Tech fan design, including a reversed central fan that cuts down on turbulence and increases airflow to keep your card running cool even under the heaviest loads. On the rear of the card is the vented backplate that doesn't just help prevent the GPU from sagging, it also looks good in the process with an addressable RGB ROG logo. The wide vent allows hot air to be forced out the rear, where chassis exhaust fans can easily expel it. Here you can also see the 2 PWM fan connect headers that'll let you attach and control chassis fans for additional cooling flexibility. This is also where the dual BIOS switch lives. Moving this switch lets you effortlessly swap between silent and performance modes without any software. The back panel sports a pair of native HDMI 2.1 ports for high refresh gaming at up to 8K. You'll also find 3 DisplayPort 1.4a ports along the stainless steel bracket. Along the top, you'll see another RGB addressable lighting zone along with a single 8-pin power connector. And while they're difficult to see, the Strix 3060 features premium alloy chokes, solid polymer capacitors, and an array of high current power stages to ensure reliable power delivery over a long lifespan. The ROG Strix RTX 3060 is available in stores today, so check below for links on where you can buy it. And we generally recommend pairing this GPU with a power supply rated for either 650 or 750 watts. So be sure to check out our Strix and Tough Gaming PSUs in the links below.